Hi, I am a legal assistant at the Court Self-Help Center. I'm here to provide you an overview of the domestic violence restraining order process. Starting the domestic violence restraining order process can be overwhelming and confusing, but we are here to help. You can start the process today using a computer, tablet, or a cell phone. Or you can visit the Court Self-Help Center and use one of our computers. The Self-Help Center can provide assistance to both sides in the case, does not give legal advice, and does not act as anyone's attorney in their case. Our services are only available if you do not have an attorney. To file for a domestic violence restraining order, you'll need the full name of the person you'll be filing a restraining order against, and the following information about them if you have it. While you can get a domestic violence restraining order without this information, the order may not be enforceable without it. Address, height, eye and hair color, weight, age, and date of birth. In order to qualify for a domestic violence restraining order, you must have one of the following relationships to the person you want restrained: spouse or former spouse, have or had a dating/engagement relationship, parents of a child, relative to the second degree, such as your mother, father, brother, sister, paternal and maternal grandparents. The person you wish to have restrained must have committed at least one of the following: recent physical violence, usually within the past 6 months, recent threats of physical violence for the past 3 to 6 months, and/or harassment, such as excessive phone calls, threatening or upsetting notes, etc. The court cannot issue a restraining order without reasonable proof that the party to be restrained committed the abuse. A signed statement describing the particular incidents of abuse and the dates on which it occurred may be enough evidence. However, the following items are very helpful to the court. If you have them, a copy of the following should be attached to your statement: recent incidents, medical and hospital records, photographs of injuries, and emergency protective orders. You may be asking, how will a domestic violence restraining order protect me? Domestic violence restraining orders are primarily designed to keep the restrained party away from you, but they can also provide other types of relief from abuse. Here are some of the requests you can make when filing for a domestic violence restraining order. The restrained person cannot contact you. The restrained person must stay at least 100 yards away from you. If you live with the restrained party, you can request to have them removed from the property. You can request child support and child custody and set a visitation schedule. The restrained party may be required to attend a batterer's treatment program. Restitution, which is reimbursement for costs resulting directly from injuries caused by the batterer, such as medical bills or lost income. The restrained person may not possess any firearms. You must file your domestic violence restraining order with the clerk in order for the judge to review your request. The court will return your paperwork within 24 to 48 business hours from the time you file. You will be given a card at the filing window at the time of the filing that contains a telephone number. Please call that number within 24 to 48 business hours after filing your paperwork to find out if the orders are ready to be picked up. To start, click on the link below and follow the prompts. Please be sure to create an account so you do not lose your work. Make note of your username and password. Your password must contain at least 8 characters, 1 uppercase letter, 1 number, and 1 special character. Thank you for watching this video. When you are done completing the forms, we encourage you to take your paperwork to the Self-Help Center for review. We're here to help.